One way participants sometimes do cross-country ski, which doesn't really give them much effect, is when they just reach forwards and pull the elbows back slightly. And so even though this sort of looks energetic, it actually isn't. It requires very little effort because the water is supporting you. And this is why it's so easy for some people to be exercising and talking at the same time, because that would be quite easy for me to do that for quite a lengthy period of time and be having a conversation at the same time, because it's not going to take me out of my breath at all. It is movement, but then what are we trying to achieve when we're teaching our classes? We're trying to get people to challenge their cardiovascular system. And movement patterns, you need to be watching out for this. Understandably, if people have issues, that's fine. But if they're there for the fitness purposes, it's not going to happen with a cross-country ski that looks like that.